Mold does not wait. It does not care if you just bought the house, just paid off the mortgage, or just had a baby in the upstairs bedroom. The moment a roof leaks, a pipe drips, or a basement floods, the clock starts. And by the time you actually see it, smell it, or feel it in your lungs, that colony has already been growing for weeks. This video is about who to call, what to do, and the one number that gets a certified mold professional to your door anywhere in the country. Mold Remediation Hotline at 332-220-0303. We are Mold Remediation Hotline, your trusted nationwide mold removal experts. We are not a national chain that ships in a stranger from another state. We are a network of certified, licensed mold professionals with deep local expertise in every region we serve. From bustling cities to peaceful rural areas, from coastal humidity to mountain damp, our partners know the housing stock, the climate, and the way mold behaves in your specific corner of the country. So why does mold matter? The CDC and state health departments classify indoor mold as a real health hazard. Black mold, the species called Stachybotrys, produces mycotoxins linked to chronic respiratory issues. Aspergillus, Cladosporium, and Penicillium trigger allergies, sinus infections, and asthma flare-ups. Children, seniors, and anyone with a compromised immune system are especially vulnerable. If someone in your home has been coughing for weeks, waking up with a stuffy head, or developing unexplained skin reactions, hidden mold is one of the first things a doctor should rule out. And it is not just your family. Mold is also eating your house. It feeds on the paper backing of drywall, the adhesive and subflooring, the wood framing inside your walls, and the insulation in your attic. Left alone for a single humid summer, a small water intrusion can rot a load-bearing stud bay and turn a $2,500 remediation into a $25,000 reconstruction. The longer you wait, the more expensive it gets. Here is what we do and how we do it. The Mold Remediation Hotline process is a 5-step certified workflow, the same one used by the most reputable remediation firms in the industry. Step 1 is inspection. We use calibrated moisture meters, infrared thermal imaging, and lab-tested air samples to find every active colony, including the hidden ones behind drywall, under carpet, and inside HVAC systems. You get a written report with photos and lab results, not a verbal guess. Step 2 is containment. Before we touch a single spore, we seal the affected area with poly sheeting and run HEPA-filtered negative air machines. That way, when we start removal, spores cannot drift into clean rooms. This is the single biggest difference between professional remediation and the DIY approach that makes the problem worse. Step 3 is removal. Porous materials like drywall, carpet, ceiling tile, and contaminated insulation get cut out, double-bagged, and hauled away. Salvageable surfaces get HEPA vacuumed and treated with EPA-registered, eco-friendly antimicrobials. Structural lumber gets HEPA cleaned, scrubbed, and sealed. Step 4 is drying. We run commercial-grade dehumidifiers and high-velocity air movers until every cavity reads below 16% wood moisture content. We do not pack up because the surface looks dry. We pack up because the meter says it is dry. Step 5 is post-remediation verification, a third-party clearance air test, lab-backed and written. This is the document you need for insurance claims, real estate disclosures, and landlord disputes. Without it, you do not actually know the job is finished. Why call us instead of grabbing a bottle of bleach? Because bleach is the most common mistake in mold remediation. On porous surfaces, bleach removes the color but leaves the colony alive underneath. The water in the bleach actually carries spores deeper into the material. Hardware store sprays are designed for surface stains, not active remediation. And every time you scrub mold without containment, you launch millions of spores into the rest of your home. We see this every week. $1,500 problems become $15,000 problems. Here is what you get when you call Mold Remediation Hotline. Free phone consultations. Free on-site inspections when there is active water damage. 24/7 emergency response. Transparent pricing with detailed estimates before any work begins. Eco-friendly products that are safe for kids and pets. Direct insurance claim assistance. and guaranteed results, backed by clearance testing. If you suspect mold in your home or business, call us before it spreads. Mold Remediation Hotline, 332-220-0303. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nationwide. Visit moldremediationhotline.com to learn more or request a free inspection online. Do not let mold take your home. Call us today.